71 degrees right now in Raleigh. It is 71 degrees and the streets are wet in Apex, Chapel Hill, some low clouds and 69, and some clouds around Wake Forest and 72 degrees at this hour. So as we take a look at what is going on around the area, we have temperatures in the lower 70s to upper 60s. Oh, there we go. Now my remote. Let me change the battery here. We'll see if it keeps working. I thought it was broken there for a second. We've got some rain moving to the northwest at about 10, 15 miles per hour, slowly but surely. But you can see it weakening as it moves to the northwest. So I'm not looking for any heavy downpours for tonight, although we do have some moderate rain right in Chapel Hill and Carborough right now, moving out 54, and that's stretching and going to be moving toward Hillsborough if it holds together. Rain letting up in Durham and also in Wake County. So it should be a pretty quiet night. But look at this. This is what happened today. This bullseye of over 7 inches of rain southeast of Wake Forest near Roseville and in southern Franklin County caused all the flooding in the roads in a short period of time. All that rain fell. It was just a phenomenal amount. Durham also around Duke University had some heavy rains, about 2 inches estimated in a very short time, and caused some flooding there. But between Durham and Raleigh, not much rain fell, because when you see the light blue, that's less than a ½ inch. We saw 3 inches in southern Wake County. Didn't produce any flooding. A little flooding was reported between Fayetteville and Spring Lake with almost 3 inches. I didn't see any reports of flooding in Moore County, but they did take in 3.2 inches. But when you look at this map, anything in light blue or gray is less than a ½ inch. So a lot of the area picking up less than a ½ inch, and the bluish between a ½ inch and an inch. So you can see how scattered it was when it comes down to heavy downpours. So when I show you this satellite, you'll see that we're not expecting much rain tonight, and we don't have a flood watch up for us. That's more in the western part of the state. The darker green are some flood warnings. So we don't have that. We didn't have that today. But with that being said, and we show you the rainfall amounts, you know, in general, everybody should get about an inch between Sunday and Monday. And the ground should be able to absorb that fine. But if we get those isolated little amounts and you can't tell where they're going to occur, we could have a little issue again if we have any moderate downpours. And that would probably occur Sunday afternoon and evening and Monday afternoon and evening. So heavy downpours are still possible, but they'll be isolated spots. Otherwise, some scattered storms also each day, but the severe risk in terms of damaging winds or hail, very low to almost non-existent. And we're going to have dry weather by the end of the week, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So rays of sunshine for tomorrow. Yeah, you heard, I was talking over it. Maybe I didn't want you to hear it, but a 1 is all I can get you. Cloudy skies. Hey, I really don't think we're going to have widespread rain showers in the morning, so we'll put a small chance in the morning hours, and then I think we'll pick up more, and they'll be scattered, but we'll have better chances in the afternoon tomorrow with southeast winds. Temperatures 70s to around 80. Today we got up to 78 in the Triangle and 89 in Fayetteville because there was a front between us. Tomorrow in the Sandhills, 82 in Lillington to 84 in Fayetteville, 81 in Sanford. Coastal Plain will range from 80 to 84, 80 in Roanoke Rapids, 84 in Clinton. And instead of the upper 70s, I got us around 80, 81 tomorrow, maybe 79 Chapel Hill, 78 in Roxborough. So this front sits here, and then some rain showers overnight, a couple, and then we kind of get a break in the morning, but more around in the afternoon. And we'll see scattered showers and maybe some embedded heavy downpours. And then as we head toward Monday, cloudy skies to start, and we'll develop some more showers. We get in the little warm sector of things, and as we go through Monday evening, more scattered showers, and then this low will come through, and Tuesday is possibly going to turn out to be kind of a dry day. That's what the Futurecast is telling me with this front moving to the east, but a low pressure system will develop along that front and move right back in here and give us another good chance of rain on Wednesday. So some scattered showers and storms tomorrow, mainly in the afternoon, evening, 81. Widespread on Monday, then maybe drier on Tuesday with just a slight risk, and then another day on Wednesday where we have some showers and storms, and then we start to clear out. Maybe a shower isolated on Thursday, 82, but just look to Friday and Saturday. Mostly sunny, 82 to 84.
That'll be